noticed, I actually made one of the video on Jairaj and Phoenix issue long back, and all I can see is that has more amount of views, but the audience retention was very low. That means people did not get what I was exactly telling. So people actually came to see what is in the video. So they actually saw the thumbnail and they got inside, and after knowing that I speak in English, maybe they actually did not watch the full video. So I actually came to know that from that video, most of my audiences, like 70 to 70% of the people who are watching my videos are not so fluent in English, that they can understand everything, they can understand the sentence which is spoken, but they don't know how to express that from themselves, or they don't know to make that in proper sentence so that they can deliver and talk. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you some of the tips where you can speak English fluently just by sitting at home. For this, you don't need to be in any of the English speaking country, or you don't want to have any kind of English speaking person. All you need is you, yourself, and some of the things which I'm going to tell you today. In this video, I'm not going to be like I'm going to be some of the English teacher and teach you A for apple, B for boy, C for cat. I'm not going to do those stuff, but I'm going to tell you some of the procedures or some of the methods where you can learn English just by sitting at home. Hello there, what's up people? It's me Jai, watching me on VXpound. Let's get in the video. First thing you have to do is stop watching Hollywood movies. Yeah, you might be thinking, why is she telling to stop watching Hollywood movies when that is the only chance where you can learn? I'm telling you that whatever movies you're watching, you have to watch it in Indian accent, because when you're watching in that accent which you want to learn, you are able to grasp that word faster and you are able to understand each word which is said in that sentence. Movies such as Monsoon Wedding, Rockford, Leela, English August is the best movies where you are able to understand also and you are able to speak properly also. Second one is watch every movies with subtitles. Even you're watching it in Hindi or Tamil or whatever language it may be, watch it with English subtitles, because when you read that subtitles, you are able to grasp that word which is said. And also I would like to say that when you start watching the movie, I would like to say that you have to pause that video before they say the sentence and read the subtitle first. When you read the subtitle, that subtitle can be in Hindi or Tamil or your native language where you can understand. After reading that subtitles from your native language, I would like to say that you have to start thinking that sentence in English language. So when some sentence comes in Hindi, you have to think that in the English language. So after thinking that, you have to play that video. After playing that video, you have to check whether the sentence which you thought, the sentence which is said in the television is similar. If not that, then you can correct also from that sentence. Third one is start thinking in English. See, till now you might have been thinking in your own native language in your mind, but from now onwards, what you have to do is you have to start thinking every sentence which you are repeating in your mind. So when you start thinking in certain languages, then you tend to take that language as your own, and whatever you are doing in your day-to-day life, that will be in the form of English. So when you're talking also, you won't feel any difference because you are already repeating those sentences in your mind in English. Fourth one is use materials to learn English. Materials in the sense books. See, we might have been reading much amount of books when we were in schools or colleges, but the main thing is that reading textbook might be boring, or reading even novel books might be difficult for some of the person who have not yet read the books. But trust me, once you start reading books, then that is the best thing you can do in the process of learning English. Because when you read that book and you start imagining about those things in your brain, then that is really good. We might think that why should we waste time in reading books? Instead of that, we can just go and watch movies where the video representation is shown, and that will be quite entertaining. But this book is something you're doing with your brain, so that will increase your speaking skills as well, because when you continuously read those books, even the vocabularies you are able to get through your mind. So when you normally find the vocabularies, the different vocabularies which you can use in a sentence, then you have become good in speaking English. Fifth one is get online and find people who speak English from all over the world. Now internet has become the basic thing in everybody's life, and nobody is there in this world who is not using internet or who is not using social media. So these kind of platforms literally give you some of the best chances where you can get in touch with the people from different countries, and when you actually tend to learn their culture or tend to learn their process of speaking, then you are able to grasp it so fast, and you are able to build your English language also in a best way. Sixth one, there are tons and tons amount of courses which are available in mobiles. So the courses also where you can afford money. So I would prefer that instead of attending that course, I would tell you just take one movies. So one movie per day will make a lot of difference in your English language. So what you have to do is just watch that English movie, just that one movie multiple times. So when you get to see those English language movies multiple times, when suppose you are watching it like 10, 20 or 30th time, in 30th time you will be able to say each and every sentence which is said in that movie by your own. So when you actually start telling every sentence before they say the dialogue in the movie, then you have become brilliant in English. Seventh one is surround yourself with English. Just make English part of your life at home. At home you might have been doing a lot of things, so you can utilize it in writing some of the shopping list, or listening to radios, or reading newspapers and listening to some of the English speeches while you're traveling. There are so much things you can do. So when you are consistently in touch with the English languages, then English language automatically will become yours. Eighth one is just stay positive. I would say that if you are not staying positive and you are doing all these things which I have been telling you in this whole video, I think that is useless, because when you don't believe in themselves, then obviously you cannot achieve anything. I would want to say that even my dad is still learning English. He literally started learning just for 2 or 3 years back, and he is still doing it, because he actually tells that he cannot remember some of the vocabularies and he cannot remember some of the sentence, but he can understand everything. So this is what I tell you, you have to start it right now, because when you think that okay fine, English is just a language, I'll learn later, or this is not an important thing, then you are wrong. Because whatever you are trying to do, you have to do it right now, and all you have to do is just think that everything is possible. Yeah, in this world there is nothing impossible if you try hard. So all I want to tell you is that just whatever you do it properly, do it with the proper procedure, and just believe in yourself, and your job is done. You are improvising. So thank you so much for watching. You came to the end of the video. That means a lot to me. If anything you feel about this video, just mention it down in the comment, and if you have any more thing to tell me, you can mail me also, which is given in my description. And if you have any more suggestion regarding this video, just mention it down. Tell me whether if it is helpful or not. I hope at least 40%, 30% might be helpful from this video. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any queries, just mention it down. And if you like this video, do not forget to give a like and subscribe my channel if you want to. And